Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. Guys, so this is another strategy video. So this is going to be a scalping video. Okay, so this is also rule based. So let me take you guys to the chart and explain you how this is done. Okay, so the first rule is you have to choose 5 stocks from Nifty 50 only. Okay, it's because it's high liquidity and I have taken example of 5 different stocks here. Okay, so what are we going to do, how are we going to trade? First, go to daily time frame, see the trend. Okay, if you see first one, we have Airtel is on an uptrend. Okay, so what do? We draw a trend line for a visual confirmation this is an uptrend. Okay, next one is Reliance is also in an uptrend. Okay, another visual confirmation of uptrend. Tata is on a downtrend. Okay, HDFC Bank is on an uptrend, but it is at a resistance, I guess. So still we'll consider it as an uptrend. BPCL is also on an uptrend. Okay, so this is the first step. You draw a trend line for you to be sure which side the market is going. Then what do? You go to indicators tab. Here you type NADARAY, Nadaria Watson envelope non repainting. Okay, you click this. Once you click it, it should show here. Okay, it should show here. It will show something like very messy, but this is the actual setting you require. Okay, we untick all this box except the Nadaria Watson. Untick everything else. Okay, input, keep all the inputs on the basic. This is the basic. Okay, this is default, except the upper boundaries and lower boundaries. You just keep the Nadaria Watson estimations and press OK. Next is smoothed Heikin-Ashi. Once you type this by Samex, open it. It should show here. Okay, time frame should be changed to 1 hour. Wicks can be turned off. Styles, this is green and this is red. Okay, this blue is green, black is red. Just for the confirmation of the visuals, I'm keeping this as blue and black. It's because when it comes to the chart, it will start confusing. Okay, so I think you are fine. You are okay with the indicators. So this is the settings. Please see it. This is all basic. Only the time frame has been changed to 1 hour and wicks have been turned off. And on styles, I've changed the color to blue and black. That's it. Okay, and confirm it. Now what do is you go to 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame, because this is a scalping, you go to 5 minutes time frame. You see markets on a range. What do is you turn on both the indicators. Okay, you turn on both the indicators. It should plot something like this. So just a minute, sorry. If you guys see the rules, okay, wait for both the indicators to cross. Both the indicators should cross one another. Okay, once it crosses, the direction of the trend changes. That is, on a scalping trend changes. Okay, still you should be considering only bullish, because Bharti Airtel is bullish. You see, go to daily time frame, see Bharti Airtel is bullish. You only see for bullish, because there is where the chances of you getting a higher reward. You see here and all. So I'll tell you how to take the trade. Okay, once the Heikin-Ashi, this blue and black is Heikin-Ashi and this red and green is the Nadaria. Okay, once the color changes, both of the color changes. Okay, the Nadaria also should change from green to red if it is going on a sell side, and the Heikin-Ashi should change to blue to black if it's going on a sell side. I will explain it very clearly somewhere here. Yeah, let's go somewhere at the back. If you guys see, this is a place, let's keep an example like this. Okay, so here it was on an uptrend. Okay, then it changed to black. But there is no there is no proper rejection from the Heikin-Ashi, and we check for rejection only from the Heikin-Ashi. Okay, that is this. If it changes red, it should be black. Proper rejection is required. Once the rejection is there, we enter the trade. Okay, we enter the trade here. This is the stop loss above. So 1:2 is the risk to reward ratio. That's it. You guys see 1:2 is the risk to reward ratio. So what happened here, the color has been changed to, here the color has changed. Okay, downtrend, little up, then black again. So we enter here, this is the take profit. Again what happened, green, from green to it became red, but Heikin-Ashi did not change, so we don't enter this trade, and this market started going up. Here if you see green and blue, it means bullish, but we don't see any kind of proper support. Yeah, so we don't trade this at all. Where do we trade is here. Yeah, green change to red, again to green. We enter a trade here because we want rejection only from the Heikin-Ashi, guys. We want rejection only, or we want support only from the Heikin-Ashi, not from the Nadaria. Nadaria is a confirmation. Okay, did we get a trade here? No, we did not get a trade at all. Okay, this is why I want you guys to have at least 5, so you get trade at least in 1. So if you see here, you get a good rejection. The color has changed. If you see here, the color has changed to green, and this is a green candle. So you enter, this is your stop loss, 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Did you get it? This is 1:2. Yeah, see, it's that simple. Next we'll see on the other side. Okay, it's going up and down, crossover. Okay, this is a crossover, but unfortunately there is no blue, so we don't see this. This is another crossover. There is no black and Heikin-Ashi, so we don't trade this. This is another crossover. Okay, this is another crossover, but Nadaria is green. Another crossover, but we got one here. Okay, but what happens is if we take this trade, the stop loss is very big. You see, we enter this. This is not a trade, so you don't take this trade. You just reject it. You just forget it and move on. And then the market started going up here. If you see here, you have gotten a good, this is a rejection, that is a support, so you enter here. This is your stop loss, 1:2. This is 1:2. Did we get it? Yes, we did. We got it here, 1:2. If you trail your stop loss, you get even 1:3, 4 and 5. Okay, we have seen Bharti Airtel. Next let's see Reliance. And Reliance, let's go somewhere at the back. Yeah, somewhere at the back, and see how it's going. Okay, we have come here. So first wait for a crossover. Here there is a crossover, but there is no rejection. Another crossover, no rejection. Another crossover, no rejection. This is another this is a valid crossover. Why? It's because this Heikin-Ashi is also bullish, Nadaria is also green. Okay, this is a crossover, so we enter here. This is the stop loss, and 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Did we get it? Let's see. We did get it here. This is it. We got it here. Market gapped up next day. Okay, next, this is a crossover, but unfortunately Nadaria's color did not change, so we are not entering. This is a crossover, Nadaria's color did not change, we are not entering. We wait for both the colors to be changed. Okay, so this is a crossover, Nadaria's color also changed here. We enter. This is a stop loss. This is a stop loss hit. This is a crossover. Okay, this is a very big candle, but Nadaria's color is blue, so we are not entering it. So we are not entering here. Nadaria is green, Heikin-Ashi is blue, we are not entering. We want the support to be taken from Heikin-Ashi, guys. Okay, I hope you understand that support should be taken, or the rejection should be taken from this, not this, from this. Okay, so once it takes, you enter. If you guys see, where is the next crossover? This crossover, we did not get it. This is the next crossover, but it did not change to black. It was blue here. Here it has changed to black, so we enter here. This is the stop loss. Did we get a 1:2? I think we got more than 1:2. This is a 1:2. 1:2 is a minimum. Okay guys, 1:2 is a minimum. Take it forward if you are confident enough to hold the trades, please hold it. Next, let's see on the bullish one. Okay, that area has crossed over here, but this is still black, so no trade. Green and blue. Okay, here we got a trade in the last moment. Enter. This is the stop loss. 1:2. The next day we got 1:2. Okay, so let's see Tata. Guys, this is a very good strategy. You guys have to use it, but you have to take at least 300 trades on a total. Only then you will know the win ratio of this. This strategy has a very high win ratio. I'll be very honest, because this is also one of the strategy which has been sold for more than 40,000, 50,000 out. Many trainers are selling this for 40-50,000. I want to do it for free. It's because I know I've read about this thing, and when I learned it, it was all very expensive. I was unable to afford it. I took so many losses and I learned it, but I want everybody to have this knowledge. Okay, so let's see. First crossover, no blue candle on Heikin-Ashi, we ignore it. First crossover, no blue candle, no crossover. This is a crossover, but there is no blue candle. This is a crossover, but there is no black candle rejection. This is a crossover, there is no rejection from the Heikin-Ashi. This is a crossover, no. Okay, this is a crossover again. This is a crossover, no rejection. But here we see some rejections. Okay, here we see a rejection. So what do? We enter the trade here. This is a stop loss. It got hit immediately. We stay out of it. Next, again we see here, okay, which is red. We should not even have entered this trade. It's because this is green, it should be red. So this is our right trade. Okay, this is our right trade. We enter. This is a stop loss which got hit immediately. It's fine. Next, again we enter this. This is a stop loss. 1:2. Done. See, crossover is done here. Crossover is done here. We are entering here. Okay. Next is, this is a crossover, no blue candle. This is a crossover, no red candle rejection from the Heikin-Ashi. Crossover, green, no. Another crossover, no reds. Another crossover. See, this is a crossover, but we did not get a rejection from Heikin-Ashi, so we can't enter it. We have to get rejection only from this Heikin-Ashi candle, guys, only then, or else don't trade it. Okay, don't trade it, it's of no use. Okay, so you take 3 trades per stock, not more than that. Okay, 3 trade per stock, and choose 5 stock from Nifty 50. Okay, every stock is not going to give you every stock is not going to work out on the strategy. There are few stocks which work. If you see, Tata did not work properly, but Reliance and Bharti Airtel did work. HDFC can work, BPCL can work. Please test it and see. This is just an outline I'm giving you guys. Use this outline and just trade it. Okay, you see here there's a crossover here, then it changed to black. We enter here because this is a rejection. We enter here. This is a stop loss. 1:2. Immediately you got it. Okay, so this is how this strategy works. If you guys see, even now it is live. So here is where you enter. This is your stop loss. 1:2 target. Let's see how this works. I will update this in the evening when I post the market analysis video. Next is BPCL. So this is how you're supposed to trade, guys. Okay, I'll tell you the rules again. Okay, plot both of these indicators, that is Nadariya Watson and smooth moving averages. Smooth Heikin-Ashi. Okay, plot it. Change the colors to this. That is untick in Nadariya. Untick all the upper boundaries, lower boundaries except Nadariya Watson. Okay, and confirm it. Smooth Heikin-Ashi. Change the time frame to 1 hour and show wicks should be disabled, and change the color to blue and black, or you can change it according to your preferences. Okay, wait for both the indicators to cross one another. It should cross and the color should changed. Okay, once the color is changed and once the price has taken rejection or support from Heikin-Ashi, only you enter the trade. Okay, and make sure you're on trend's favor so you get bigger targets. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. That's it for today's video. If you guys like this content, please like, share and subscribe. I'm coming up with another strategy tomorrow, and rules on this I hope you guys understand. The best thing you can do is take 3 trades a day. Okay, choose only 5 stocks from Nifty 50, which is good, and make sure you follow the rules, and make sure you calculate your risk calculation. Risk management sheet also will be added in the video. Please follow that. Just enter the enter the entry price and the stop loss price and trade it. Okay, buy quantity what you can only afford to lose. Okay, trade only according to your loss appetite. Don't overtrade, don't complicate it. Market is not going anywhere. It's definitely going to give you profit if you keep doing consistently, but to do it consistently you should take small losses. Always remember that you should never take big losses. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I hope you guys like this content. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.